Just because they're not calling you back right now doesn't mean you're not having situations happening in the background like Adam had. Adam just happened to have it almost instantaneously. And what I mean by that is, by raising your hand, right? I'm not trying to raise my hand necessarily for somebody that has the problem right now and is shopping for a solution for right now. I'm trying to let people know that I'm out there so they think of me first. So don't get depressed if you don't get a call back. Like I see the great and powerful Ian Robbins on there, right? He would call real estate professionals, just raise his hand. Let them know he's out there if they've got a difficult situation with a house that needs to be staged, where there's maybe a company's furniture and then the homeowner's furniture, sometimes commingled, sometimes not. Some of the furniture needs to be warehoused, others needs to be. He just wants to raise his hand and let them know he lives and breathes this stuff. He does projects like that all the time. Happy to answer any questions they have, even if it's just to bounce an idea off of them. He's happy to help whether they're a client of his or not. They might not call him back same day, but 9 months later, he might get, oh my God, we have a 9,000 square foot house. This is really difficult because they have a super expensive piano. Stager wants to use the piano. They're really scared about the piano being, Ian, how would you handle that? Ian then goes, man, that's a great question. Here's how we bump, and then he's there. Sorry, I digress. I'm just saying, temper your expectations on the raise your hand. It is healthy, and you're never harming yourself by doing it.
Hey, my name's Matt Easton. If this is your first time seeing my sales videos, I want to help you out. I want to give you my closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. You are going to close more deals. You're going to have more fun. You're going to make more money. You're going to hit your goals in life. And I'm going to cover all the costs for you. Did we just become best friends? I think so. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.